Vlog 09. Clap. My first cooking in my new home. Smoothies. I miss it. With my freshly picked harvest spring onion to my adobong pusit. Ala Annalisa again. Welcome back to my channel, Simply Annalisa RN.
Wow, amazingly healthy. So today I'm gonna harvest and add them in my cooking. So long. Very long.
I am so excited for my first cooking.
Five fruits. Akala ko ating
My freshly baked spring onion. Oh, so crunchy and fresh. So let's start cooking. Peeling all the ingredients. Oh, I have rice. Getting ready for duty. Yesterday I bought this variegated eggplant. Then squid. I kept in the freezer. Let's start the process with ingredients. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and ring the bell. Variegated eggplant with garlic, onion, and ginger. And the star is our squid. Cutting and washing the eggplant. A cute variegated eggplant from India. They call it brinjal. In Tagalog, talong, and Bisaya, tarong. They look so cute. Let's start. This is a tray of my condiments for my easy access. We will add our olive oil, a healthy oil. And according to my mentor, we should choose the dark container or bottle for it. So we are sauteing now our garlic, ginger, and onion. Add up our squid. Ready to add our eggplant. Then soy sauce, pepper, salt, then mix it. Wow, then added our spring onion. Yum, yum, yum. It's done. And for our smoothie for today is cucumber, orange, carrots. Peeled it up because I bought it last week. I just don't have time. Squeezing our orange. Some more. Yalla. And you can do it. Okay, it's done. So we have 2 glasses and add it up with chia seed. One with white and the other one is a mixed block. So with turmeric also. Honey. Mixed up with sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, my basket of smoothie ingredients. Now we will add laban or our probiotic, a fermented milk, and watermelon tube. I made it frozen. And now grinding. This is the yummy ingredients. See, look. the finished product. Yummy! Tasting time. Let's eat. Yummy! Try it for yourself too and be healthy. So, have it for yourself. It's just easy. Tasting our adobong pusit with eggplant. We will see. I think I will be gaining weight in this vlog. You are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and ring the bell. Thank you! Are you hungry or just missing to eat at home comfortably? Are you fond or like smoothies too? Bottoms up smoothie drinking challenge. You can do it. Go! How are you making your own smoothies? Can you please share it with us for us to know and learn from you too? I learned mine from my mentor, Architect Darrell of Cebu. Thank you for watching mga pinalangga ko nga subscribers. Simply Annalisa RN. And please visit our little Artisa Farm Care soon in Malandog, Hamtik, Antique. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.